Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BennyFX. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to set a take profit on MT4. And we're looking at the mobile version of MT4 and also the desktop version. And in case you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. Alright, in this chart, once you take profit, so now let's go to a higher time frame and look at something. Alright, so let's say want to say take profit here. Then there's 1.701 1.00215. So we'll go to trade now, click and hold it, then we'll go to modify, then we'll go to take profit, then we'll put 1.702. Then that is it. We go back to the charts. Now we can see our take profit, our TP. Yeah, but the left hand side, that is it. So now let's look at the desktop version and see. So this is the desktop version of MT4. So if we want to say they take profit on MT4, okay, you will just click and drag it. So we just click on it. Yeah, we'll click and drag it downward. So that is our take profit now. So we can adjust it whatever we want. So that is the fastest way of setting a take profit. We cannot put it above price because there's a take profit. If we try to put it up there, it won't work. So, and if we want to manually adjust it, we go to this terminal, then we'll click on this blue column. So we'll click on the blue column, click on it, we'll click on it, then we'll go to type, we'll go to modify order, then we'll go to take profit. We'll take profit, then let's do 1.289. So modify now, and we can see our take profit is now being updated now. So that is how to set a take profit on MT4 desktop version.